The blood that was shed from his head is conquest. And then twisted together a crown of thorns and set it on his head. They put a staff in his right hand. Then they knelt in front of him and mocked him, "Hail, King of Jews," they said. Sabi sa Matthew 27 verse 29. The crown of thorns ay simbolo ng luck sa buhay natin. So, poverty is not a status, it is mindset. Kasi nga, kung saan ka lumaking environment, yun ka. Kung ano yung pinifeed sa'yo ng mga magulang mo, yun ka. Kung ano yung naririnig mo sa school, kung ano yung mga binabasa mo, napapanood mo, yun yung nagiging ikaw. And the blood that was shed from his head is conquest. Lahat ng pinapasok natin dito, it should be the word of the Lord. This is made for conquest kasi ito yung unang entry point ng kaaway sa buhay natin. Kung ano yung iniisip mo, eventually ito yung mararamdaman mo. And kung ano yung mararamdaman mo, eventually yun yung magiging action mo. Amen. So ngayon, pag nagde-declare ka, dapat magagandang bagay yung i-declare mo. Amen. I am victorious. I am a conqueror. I am made para sa conquest. Amen.